Warren Buffett just shook Wall Street again. Berkshire Hathaway is now sitting on nearly $400 billion in cash, the highest level in its history. And right after the shareholder meeting, one question started spreading across the market. What does Buffett see that others don't? Is he preparing for a crash? Is this a signal that something is breaking? Has the AI bubble already reached its peak? Because right now, the market feels completely disconnected. Stocks keep hitting new highs. AI valuations are exploding, and the capital is being deployed at a historic scale. But here's the problem. Most people are making a classic mistake. They are treating a bubble as if it were a scam. Railroads, electricity, the internet, smartphones. Every major technological revolution came with a bubble and a crash. But in the end, they still changed the world. Yes, the Nasdaq collapsed nearly 80%. Thousands of companies disappeared. But then, Amazon survived, Google emerged, and the internet took over the world. This time is different. Because the companies at the center of AI are the most profitable in human history. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon. These are not fragile startups. They are cash machines. They are not investing because they are desperate. They are investing because they are afraid of falling behind. This is not greed. This is survival. The market is not pricing AI based on today's profits. It is pricing future control, future infrastructure, future productivity, and future monopoly power. The bubble is real, but so is the revolution. And the real danger is not that AI is fake. The real danger is using old frameworks to understand a new system. Because history shows the greatest wealth is often created during the most violent uncertainty.